Welcome home to this gorgeously remodeled property at 1113 Holly Ave in Imperial Beach. Everything is new, white with black trim, new landscaping with fresh sod, a new garage door, and a custom dusty teal door. Come on into the kitchen, which is a chef's dream. All stainless steel matching appliances with a 6-burner gas stove, white backsplash with stainless steel slivers, and a fantastic island with soft closed cabinets and drawers. A dining room that could easily fit 10 to 12. And come on into the great room, which is gigantic. It has recessed lighting throughout, luxury vinyl floors throughout, dual pane vinyl windows throughout. This could be a partial living room, family room. You could put a breakfast nook in the back. The options are endless. Make this room your own. Let's go on outside to the backyard. Large patio area for patio chairs, barbecuing. The bathroom, number 3, with a full tub. Here is another bedroom in this 4-bedroom home. This one has its own private bathroom with black appliances and a vanity. All the bedroom doors have mirror sliding glass doors. This is the master bedroom that has room for an entertainment center here or a desk. And here's the creme de la creme bathroom. His and her sinks, golden accents throughout, and check out this shower with dual shower heads. We hope you make this home your own. Please call for a private tour. Thank you.